Hi there, Andrei is here. Welcome to the quick introduction to Python 3 for AWS Automation Engineers course. This course is 100% free and available for you at handzon.cloud website. This course is the most complete guide on Boto3 library, which contains real-world and hands-on examples of working with AWS EC2 instances, EBS, volumes, AMI, snapshots, and such AWS services like S3, DynamoDB, Secrets Manager, Parameter Store, IAM, CloudWatch, SNS, SQS, and many others. So if you are quite new in the industry or don't have any knowledge about Python programming language, the first part of the course contains information about the Python basics, where we are covering Python program structure, basic data types, syntax, operators, conditionals, loops, and everything else you need to know to get comfortable with the programming language itself. As soon as you familiarize yourself with the Python programming language, you may jump straight to the second part of the course, which contains the information about usage of the Boto3 library in Python to do real-world AWS automation activities and interacting with the AWS services in a programmatic way. If you have any questions or suggestions about this course, feel free to reach us out in the comment section under any given video or any given article. We're always and constantly looking for ways to improve the course quality content to make it as valuable for you as possible. That's it for now. I wish you good luck with the course, and if you found the course content valuable for yourself, please help us to spread it to the world. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next video.